Pagalfa Macau. We're here to do we're here in a workshop, how to buy a house. We got Don Ha here and the crew. Got some new Wayans here. Gonna teach us what we got to do to buy a house. So, my mum wants me to do something. So awesome turnout. People here. Get some information on how to whakatau whale. So I think ko matua ha whakatau whale tau 1980 or 1990. Awesome initiative to show Polynesian people how to buy a house or looking at buying a house. Great time to buy if you can afford it. House prices are much cheaper than when they were in 2021. They've dropped a lot in price, so if you're able, man, it's time to look into it. So we're just going to get into the workshop to start something and start somewhere. Change the mindset. For those of you that already own your house, congrats. But those of you that don't, it's a good time to think about it. And if those of you that don't care, because also, buying a house can be stressful. So whatever position you're at, good on you. Alright, okay, we've got Don Ha here, himself.
Hi, my name is Noel. I'm the marketing manager of Don Ha Project State. We're a part of REMAX. And we're very excited here just to talk to you about the Rent to Buy program at this church here. So we're very grateful to have us here. And honestly, it's going to be great if you are looking to get into a home and you want to learn about the Rent to Buy program and how it can help you. We'll help you discuss all details in regards to your finance and help you get into your first home much sooner than you think. So if you reach out to us, call 0800 888 000.
Cool, man. Cool.
And if you haven't heard of our Long Project team, we are a part of REMAX.
Sup fam, just heard Don Ha talking. Man, he said he's the number one, for his team, number one team in the world, internationally for REMAX. The man said that he worked over 120,000 hours experience over his 32 years. And he said he used to live in Otara. And from Otara, he's just worked and built up. 40 years later now, he said he caught up with people that were living in Otara today, and he said that their family trying to contact him because their family wants to get into the real estate business. And he was like, bro, you're still in Otara? It's like, damn. He goes like, man. And they told him that it's because they're comfortable. That's why they didn't want to move on. Whereas he's moved far on, and now he's helping out their kids. Strange. Yeah, he came here as refugees and just worked hard, eating pig's head, putting pig's head in sandwiches. Yeah, but what it comes down to, it sounds like just hard work. Looked like he's been worked. But your awesome event. This is done by the Low Papa Trust and Champions of Change. They held this event to help our newer community looking at getting into these circles. For those that are wanting to buy a house, probably don't know where to start or how to get into it. I get it. I got a friend that's just buying a house now, and from what he's been telling me, it's just a whirlwind. It's a lot of saving money, it's a lot of work, it's a lot of looking at houses and a lot of pressure, excitement. So, those of you out there, get in touch with Champions of Change or Low Papa Trust, and we can get you in contact with Don Ha and his team if you're looking at getting into it. But yeah, that's great, man. As for myself, I'm looking for a house in the I'm looking around. spoke to the bank. Haven't really got serious about it, but just looking around it because it requires a lot of effort. And on top of the family and work, you know, you really gotta put the effort in. But yeah, so maybe the next upcoming videos I'll show you like the houses that I'm viewing, if I'm allowed to. But yeah, if you're still watching, whakawalahi. You know, thank you to all the subscribers, or the likes and comments. Shout out to you guys. Hope everything's well. Heading into winter now. Stay safe, stay warm. Leveki e sino hao. You know, kia monuina and toliu ke Whilaveia.